welcome sa YouTube channel ko. This is Jerry Mendoza. Now we are going to make our own skinless lang sausage longgonisa, garlic with garlic. I'll show you all the ingredients I have. So now we have 2 pounds of pork giniling. So I put a cup of a lot of garlic. So because this is a skinless garlic. So 1 cup of brown sugar. Just mix it like this. So it's very good taste. I'll show you how to make. So for 2 pounds of pork, ground pork or giniling, just put 1 cup of brown sugar and 1.5 cup of giniling. So put 2 spoons of salt and 2 spoons of pepper. It's according to your taste. But this is the perfect combination and soya sauce. And I put paprika, 2 spoons of paprika. So you'll make more color on this. So I put also 2 spoons of ginger and turmeric. Turmeric powder. So you'll get the color. So a couple of sesame oil, just a dash, maybe 2 spoons. 2 drop of spoon of sesame oil. Just do like this, and a little bit of corn flour or regular flour, just to make the taste or to keep it together. So just mix it like this, so you will have the taste of your skinless garlic sausage longgonisa. So I'll show you all this mixing of thing of. So I put so this is the I just put 2 spoons of so it will have your color at least when you this is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. So just keep it mixing until it will be more taste. So just put like this, and then we're ready to put it in the wax paper just to mold it. Okay. I'll put all the ingredients at the end of the video. You can see all the ingredients. Thank you. Now let's put it in a wax paper, so that just mold it, and you can keep it in the fridge after that, so it will be more tasty. So just mold it like a sausage and keep it individually until and just keep it in the fridge, so it will be more tasty. Now let's fry it, and we're frying our sausage now. See, it look beautiful. But this is I didn't press it yet. But if you press it, at least it become more tasty because it marinate more. So your sausage will be more tasty when you marinate. It will marinate on the fridge when you keep it there. But I already cooked some, so I could taste it. So how is the taste? Thank you very much for watching. My longgonisa, skinless, homemade longgonisa and a fried egg. Look at it. Sarap! Ito.